Let's get you all the details on how India is tackling the coronavirus pandemic, which has impacted the country both economically and socially. To understand India's trajectory better, we at WION have collated data of the last 10 days. India recorded more than 78,000 coronavirus cases in just the last 24 hours. The spike in cases has also made India the country with the highest single-day surge across the world. And more people have lost their lives to this virus. More than 1,000 people have lost their lives to this virus in the last 24 hours. And this is a spike from yesterday's death toll, which stood at 819. On your screens currently is the daily caseload for India. Now on your screens is the daily death toll. As you can see, more than 1,000 people lost their lives in the last 24 hours. The data for the month of August shows that close to 29,000 fatalities have been reported. This is a 50% jump from the previous month's total death toll. Out of the 28 states in India, 3 states account for more than half of the total active cases: Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The third worst affected country in the world, India has reported close to 2 million coronavirus cases in the past 1 month. Now, this is a grim record across the world, as no other country has witnessed such a sharp uptick in cases. Not even the 2 worst affected countries in the world, which remain United States of America and Brazil. With over 3.7 million confirmed cases, India has the third highest caseload in the world after the US and Brazil. The government continues to lift restrictions to try and boost an economy that lost millions of jobs because of a strict lockdown and extended restrictions. Remember, the lockdown had begun in March. But India's recovery rate remains encouraging. Out of every 100 confirmed cases, nearly 77 have recovered so far. And the number of deaths continues to be low when compared to other highly impacted nations. For every 100 confirmed cases, just under 2 have died from the virus. Data continues to show that people with comorbidities are more susceptible to contracting the coronavirus disease.